Right, here we have a Marshall JCM2000 triple super lead TSL122. It came in dead. The pilot lights on the on-off switch would light up, but nothing else is completely silent. First thing I did check, obviously, was the main fuse. I knew that was working because the light was on. There are 4 more fuses inside here. All of them are okay. And the valves, when switched on, they weren't lighting up. There was nothing happening. They were dark. So I deduced from that the filament circuit wasn't working. My fear then was that we had an issue with a burnt out mains transformer up here. But luckily I'd done some checks, and I had the filament supply just under 7 volts coming out through this brown wire here, which I had to replace because I'll show you this one. This is the original one. It's gone brittle and hard. It was melting and it's burnt. See this? This is the supply, the connection from that main transformer to the board down here, and you see I made up a replacement cable and connectors that fitted that, but still it wouldn't work. So I was wondering why this filament circuit was faulty. I couldn't find any reason. Every valve, the filament had no voltage whatsoever, yet the voltage was up here. So I came down looking here, and right at the bottom, this is a big grounding point here, and one of these green cables, this one here, that goes to pin 9 of the EL34, and that is the return for the filament. And that was just dangling down here with this. And this bucket connector. And if you look closely, you can see, where is it here? That was a spade, and that's one of those curved spades that comes up here, and it fractured. And bit by bit, that started to break. And as it got less and less material holding together, the current flowing through here started to get very hot and back up down the wires and through the filament circuits. And I suspect this is what caused this. I cut off and I soldered onto the other one here, and I've had that fired up and it's running lovely now, like it should. So that solved that problem, luckily. And round the back here, I'll show you. You can see them. Where are they? Those are your test points for bias and the output valves. So I reset the bias on all these output valves here. They were very hot, way too high. So I've had it running on the bench and it's okay. So I'll reinstate it into the cabinet and try again, and if that is it, all the better. Anyway, that's all. Bye.